Tim, did you push the button?
Not yet.
Okay.
We'll wait till you're lined up. All right, Z, Craig, Todd, Zach, Don, Kenny, DJ.
Come on. I'll do it. Shuffle down there.
Here goes the speaker. All right. The other line, we got marshals, drivers. Please tell them, here we go. Whoa, turn around in the middle. Right on in. Whoa, go from the middle of the pack. Nice. 6, 11, 7, 12, 11, 4, 12, 12, 11, 5. Woo. Craig right together. Zach not too far behind. That's Don. DJ, Todd, Kenny. Oh, damn it. He gets Marshall. Send it back. Jim breaking a little bit. Zach trying to hang on. And then there's a big gap back to 4, 5, 6, 7. All right together at the roundabout. Oh. 1 down, 5 to go. 11:45 for Zach, his fastest. Did not see what happened. Craig has gotten it from his lead. 1, 2, 3 now right together. Take over a second. All over Z right now for the 2 spot. Trying to break away.
Oh boy, get out of line.
Down 4.5 to go. Inside there. Oh, catches it in the middle. 2 DS's. Be careful in the middle. Send back to 6. It is, yes. Craig now is straight away on Z. Z was more than straight away on Todd now to the 3 spot. Followed by DJ, Don, Zach, and Kenny. 2 down, 4 to go. Don and Zach following DJ there. Fast lap wise and lap 4. Fastest. But the 100 separate them. All right together. 4, 5, 6, do the chicane. Oh, a bumper. Careful on the chicane.
Go ahead, man.
Careful on the chicane. Careful on the chicane. All clear, all clear. 3:30 left to go. 4 seconds for Craig now over Z and Todd all over. Oh, send Z to the wall. Careful to the middle messes. DJ up to the 2 spot. Head of Todd, Z's in, Kane, Zach, and Don. Oh, careful to the chicane. Just past halfway, 250 to go now. Right, we're at the corner. The roundabout. You got DJ and Todd right together for the 2 spot on the chicane. Now going to be Don and Zach. For the 2 spot here on the straightaway. DJ 1184 last time through personal best. On the inside, oh, careful, middle, yes, careful.
Pull it! The inside. Open.
Middle, walk the middle. We'll do the middle, the marshal up there. 2 left to go, 2 left to go. Kenny now to the 2 spot. Stay in the lead lap. Don and Zach 3 and 4. And 45 left to go. Leo Kenny and the leader in between them, about straight away between 2nd and 3rd. Zach there in tow. on the clock. That spot away from Don. Fantom Racing is still reeling Kenny in. We left the straightaway line with a minute 10 left on the clock. Trying to hold on to that lead lap. They're all over him, all over the tap. They're going to get through now. Nothing between them with 55 seconds. 2, 3, 4. Right behind the leader, down to the straightaway. 45 seconds. Second through the loop here. 12 over, number 9, number 8. 2, 3, 4. Using that DRS off the leader to hold on. 30 seconds left. 2, 3, 4, right together. And hit the line with 15 seconds and 2 laps to go. 2 laps. Here it is. They all make it through. Through the line. 2, 3, 4. Through the middle of the track. Through the switch back. Not enough time. 3/10 of the game. Blue, the Kitty, Drew, Brown, Beardmore, Zeke, and DJ. The final order, Trans Am